Torrential slide cost examination. As per our fundamentally current torrential slide cost forecast, the worth of torrential slide will expanded by 244.86%, coming to $51.95 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the especially current feeling is negative, while the trepidation and veracity list is perusing 20.07, and that implies intense apprehension. Our torrential slide estimate: it's dangerous to fundamentally sell torrential slide at the present time. On WAC 9, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while genuinely different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among torrential slide cost expectations, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. See the really definite torrential slide cost expectation underneath. You will sort of realize how particularly torrential slide fundamentally is truly worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the for the most part most recent 30 days, torrential slide is certainly diminished by 30.75%. Because of this, we can sort of get, with the exception of a really slight recuperation in the approaching month, in an unobtrusive way. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of torrential slide expanded by 111.55% and came to approach around $30.18. Presently, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and covetousness file shows 20.07 intense feelings of dread, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. As per our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell torrential slide in an unpretentious manner. Presently, torrential slide truly is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving genuinely normal. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA sort of has shown a torrential slide selling signal. The cost of torrential slide generally is as of now running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will generally hit $16.40 toward the finish of December, as opposed to prevalent thinking. By December 2024, Avalanche's transient 50-day SMA certainly shows of $18.61. The really relative strength record RSI energy oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, which is genuinely critical. RSI certainly is at present at Arcivalu. This demonstrates that the Avax market is in a purchase position. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, torrential slide came to $20.99, when it dipped under $10.68. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market trades, torrential slide in every way that really matters is headed to passing the $31.20 mark before the current year is over, or so they thought. Before $31.20, it might, all things considered, break its characteristic of $146.22 and essentially reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, torrential slide will explicitly break its past all-time high of $146.22 and hold somewhere in the range of $26.13 and $31.20 soon in a very significant manner. At this point, on 9 WAC 2023, torrential slide is exchanging at $14.26, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 222.68 M, and it generally makes number 17 cash in the entire crypto world. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. There is plausible that torrential slide can get through the $36.02 obstruction and, for the most part, hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is very critical. The least torrential slide cost will be between $30.66 to $36.02, and the most probable torrential slide cost will commonly be consistent at around $34.82 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Avalanche's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth-disagreeable energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper really is adhering to his expectation that torrential slide will reach $36.02 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that Avax will begin the year at $42.06 and exchange around $51.95. As per their expectations, this would truly be incredibly fundamentally high contrasted with kind of a year ago. This most certainly is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, which is very huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. There fundamentally is a decent opportunity that torrential slide 2026 value expectation will kind of twofold in cost. Yet it essentially is likewise conceivable that it may not in every practical sense arrive at its normal all things considered, greatest $65.33 level. Torrential slide certainly is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $60.34 or $65.33 in 2026. And it could generally be the extended time of torrential slide, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2027 torrential slide value forecast, or Avax, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Amazingly, Avalanche's cost is supposed to generally outperform $65.33 in 2027. Amazingly, it has been anticipated that torrential slide will arrive at the sort of greatest cost of $65.33, and the base cost most certainly is supposed to be around $54.88 in the following a long time from 2027. Torrential slide estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists anticipate for the most part say that torrential slide value expectation and specialized examination, torrential slide in a real sense, is supposed to all things considered cross a value level of $75.48 in 2028. In the meantime, torrential slide is supposed to for the most part arrive at a very least cost of $67.66 this year in a by and large huge manner. The most extreme cost may by and large reach $77.10 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The torrential slide value forecast and specialized examination essentially foresee that the expense of torrential slide will reach $104.80, and the cost of Avax ought to especially reach $104.80 before the year's over. Incredibly, what's more, Avax can reach up to $96.28 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring huge years for torrential slide development. Avax value expectation 2030 out of 2030. Torrential slide value expectation are supposed to cross the $148.35 normal cost level, as indicated by torrential slide conjecture and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Avalanche's most certainly least cost is supposed to sort of be $139.04. Furthermore, Avax can arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $149.55, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, torrential slide will in every practical sense have a typical cost of $149.55. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Torrential slide value expectation 2031 torrential